So in front of you is a critical moment with Alpha Fibonacci software. In front of you is ultimate chop. In front of you is ultimate weakness. In front of you, buyers remain fully in charge, but brick wall is present. So if you choose to buy this brick wall, success rate less than 20%. So where are buyers coming from? This key Alpha Fibonacci support, where buyers been defending this level since overnight session. So this is when intelligent trader understands trading right now is gambling. This is the most important part. This is when you stop losing your money, you stop losing your mind. Bold red line is present. What does this mean? Do not buy. Can you do this? 14-year-old Dominic knows this. 11-year-old Emma does too. This is how simple and pure software is. Bold red line, not the place to buy. Success rate on longs, less than 20%. If you buy at the green, not the red line. Can you understand that? That's it. Market in brutal, vicious pain. Day trading is psychological game. Can you pass the test every single day? Can you obey the red line as a red light? If you do, the sky's are the limit. This is how pure and simple software is. Intelligent trader understands the power. Here's the software in overnight session. Here is the power. Here is simplicity. Here is your trading range. Buy at the bold green line. Short at the bold red line. Do not overcomplicate trading. And when you add the power of institutional trend, you're choosing the highest quality trades. All the details in the live class after the close of the trading room. All the details every single second in the live bootcamp. That's it. Right now at the market open, market in pain. Intelligent trader knows this. Both buyers and sellers are weak. Market stuck in chop. This is broker's heaven. This is when broker printing money. This is when the only brilliant option to be on sidelines. The moment you master this part, you start enjoying trading. Trading is ultimate psychological test. There is no conservative trades this morning. There is only pain. The only option to monitor for short. It's a bold red line. Can you do that? So this is a response for brilliant, intelligent traders who understand this. Who understand the danger of broker's heaven. Who understand the danger of junky markets. The moment you master junky markets, you never waste your time. You stop losing money. You stop paying for your broker's South friends' vacations. You pay for your own. This is the most important part. And when you master this part, you start enjoying trading. Single glimpse is what my students need to know that part. And it doesn't matter if you trade weekly Tesla, or monthly Bitcoin. It doesn't matter if you trade NASDAQ. It doesn't matter what instrument you trade. Price is price, exactly the same everywhere. And in front of you is the power of the software. There is only pain that's present this morning. So when you master the most important part, when not to lose money, when not to lose your mind, when not to waste your time by staring at the junk, everything changes. You're shifting to entirely different trajectory. You start enjoying trading. You know when to be in front of the screen. You know what the highest quality trade is. The sky's the limit. When you understand quality trading versus painful junkie chop. Broker having a ball. Broker having time of his and her life. It's a money printing machine. This plays out in regular market conditions at least 40% of the time. At least. The only brilliant option, not to touch the bait. The only brilliant option, allow market to retrace. This is strategic, intelligent trading. Without powerful retracement, there are only baits, not trades that's present. So in front of you, institutional bearish correction, identified many months in advance. In front of you, critical institutional support, uptrend is done. All of this present in the room for years. So in case you miss the events of the last 18 months, let me remind you what Alpha Fibonacci System has done many months in advance. Here's the system to the upside in 2019. This is August 2019. Many months in advance, you know where reversal zone will be. Its institutional sell zone reached in December 2019. Intelligent trader, intelligent hedge fund manager knows to monitor for institutional crash. And when that plays out, and the panic on the news and sell-off is on, intelligent trader knows many months in advance institutional buy point 2200 level, 2300 level. This is a zone where intelligent trader expects price to reverse from. And when this playing out, on March 23rd, world is in panic, country in lockdown. But on the chart, in this trading room, market is rallying, price is skyrocketing. Intelligent trader knew this many months ahead. Institutions buying everything. This was the most spectacular lesson of all. You want to trade as institutional trader? No Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. There is no good news on the news. None are present. Everyone terrified. Except hedge fund managers who trading Alpha Fibonacci System. Intelligent trader who understand many months ahead. This is institutional buy zone, 2200 level. And when the price keeps skyrocketing higher and higher, In 2020, when price reaches reversal zone, market not selling off, every single pullback being bought. Internet changed the world. No one needs to be on Wall Street. Everyone can be in Miami or Palm Beach. And by holding a position, institutions, hedge fund managers making a lot of money. No one needs to pay New York taxes. Everything changed. Miami is New York. And that's a lesson of the current crisis. The biggest vertical rally despite the worst economic crisis is a stunning reminder. If you trade Alpha Fibonacci System, you don't listen to panic. Panic is the biggest money-making machine. You know where to buy the bottom. You understand the power of the system. You stop listening to junk. You stop listening to noise. Exact same people who own news channels been buying the markets. St. Bart's is packed. Hamptons, more than 50% increase in prices. Multi-millions paid for rent. Did you know that? We are no longer at 2100, 2200 level. Price reached 4500 historical high. We are in institutional correction. This is institutional key zone. This is what intelligent trader starts each and every morning with. And when you do, you understand extremely well. This level will define markets for months and years to come. Bullish rally is done. Institutional profit taking is on. We are in institutional bearish correction. That's it. Do not overcomplicate markets. Day trading extremely challenging. Day trading was very easy to buy the bottom in March 2020, to take positions with institutions. Now it's a very different game. It requires your ultimate knowledge of Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. With the power of the software, you understand extremely well where the ultimate entry points are and when not to trade. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading, pretty please. And when you understand the power of simplicity of this, can you trade euro? Of course. Traded by a hedge fund manager in Switzerland. This is a chart placed in front of you for years. This level is key. This level is out, this level is next. This level is out, this level is next. This is historical low on euro. And you know this many months ahead. But if I bring to your attention Tesla, that one of our new incredible new students trade, this is a brick wall. This is historical level on Tesla next. This has been your trading range on Tesla for the last 2 years. But if you miss the events of this on Tesla, let me take you back to December 2020. So you see the reason why Alpha Fibonacci System traded globally. December 2020. This is what Tesla looked like with Alpha Fibonacci System. It never gets old, I promise. You knew many months ahead where reversal zone will be. And when reversal zone is reached and Tesla in free fall, you are not surprised. All precise. This is next on Tesla. That's it. Not everyone meant to be a day trader. Not everyone can pass psychological tests. But anyone can invest with Alpha Fibonacci System long term. Here's March 2020 on Tesla, in case you missed. And that's the power of the system. Here's Tesla this morning. But my goodness, Bitcoin getting so much attention with Alpha Fibonacci System. Let me remind you how critical this moment is on Bitcoin. This zone, this level in front of you is the key. Before global convention on Bitcoin in Miami, let's go back to Bitcoin to December 2020. Shall we? Every single intelligent trader, every single intelligent hedge fund manager instantly see how powerful this is. All of this in advance, never ever ever after the fact. And when the bullish scroll on Bitcoin is on, and everyone's thrilled about Bitcoin convention in Miami, how is it possible Bitcoin in free fall? It's a quiet before the storm. This support holding the key to the crush. It was exact same thing in day trading this morning on S&P. Here comes 65% sell-off. Oops! Shock or not. So please understand, there is nothing better. All identified. Minutes, hours, days, weeks, months and years in advance. All depends on the instrument and chart you will choose to trade. This on Bitcoin is next. If you buy the bottom. Sell off on Bitcoin of 65% is a stunning reminder. Buying the bottom, selling the top is the ultimate place. With Alpha Fibonacci System you can do that, as long as all the rules are met. Here's July 2021 on Bitcoin. Bitcoin picking up the steam, of course. No surprise, all precise. And that's the reason system traded globally on all instruments. More and more focus on Bitcoin next year. It is not wise to ignore Bitcoin. Not. This is new internet money. And if you know where to enter and where to take profits off the table, you are a brilliant, intelligent trader. With Alpha Fibonacci System, you can trade even Bitcoin and Tesla and Euro and S&P and anything you will choose. So at least 50% of my private mentoring students are doctors. Here's an email from emergency room doctor who started buying Bitcoin in 2018. 2019. Steve is very, very happy where he exited Bitcoin, but he also trading equities, overweight commodities, gold and silver. Dominic is a day trader. Dominic loves trading S&P and Dow. Listen to the podcast. But his father, Andy, his hedge fund manager in London, brought his son to the course. Andy has zero interest in day trading, his son does. Andy trades Alpha Fibonacci System long term. Listen to the podcast. Sue loves trading options. Theo loves cryptocurrency and Forex. Every single trader different account. Every single trader different instrument. It is all starts with knowing when not to lose money, when not to lose your mind. Brad knows this after trying for many years. Thousands and thousands of emails later, listen to the podcasts. Every single trader makes individual choice on what trader wants to trade. Jennifer loves Nasdaq and S&P, mom of 2 little babies whose husband Emmanuel brought her to the course. So if you decide to join us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. This is the best time of the year to join us. You can sign up on the trading room and review all the details on website. Traders from beginner to hedge fund manager, trading the system globally. Listen to journeys and stories of traders. Listen what's possible if you make an effort. And when you are joining us, choose from the package appropriate for you. This will never be offered again. This will never be repeated again. Every single one of these packages, lifetime system for any platform, or lifetime software for Ninja 8 with group classes or private mentoring including bootcamp. Click on the details here and review and understand. This bootcamp will never be repeated again. November 28th through December 10th, we will be in the live markets and I will be teaching you and quizzing you every single second in the market with a choice on the instrument you choose to trade. If we have stock traders, we will be looking at stocks. Futures traders, of course. Forex, absolutely. ETF, Bitcoin included. And if you are trading options, absolutely. You will be using everything you learn in this bootcamp. You will be learning how to identify institutional reversals, institutional inceptions, how to remove pain and speculation from trading, how to stop losing money, how to trade strategically. Because the base of the soul is your optimized brain. When markets are quiet, we will be focusing on this. Optimizing your brain, optimizing your mindset. It never ceases to amaze me, even when I work with doctors in one-on-one coaching, how much more I can teach of the latest neuroscience, of the latest brain health, mind optimization techniques. If you are a graduate of the course, please do contact me for a special discounted invoice value of $3,000 at drastically lower cost for graduates of the course. So when I receive another invitation to the wedding this weekend to daughter of one of our graduates, it's an honor and the reason I love what I do. So join us for the best event of the year that will never repeat again. Again, for 5 new students, trading bootcamp included at no extra cost. Any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you traders so much. Let's take a break before the live class.